Matagal nang walang lipad to guys, si SG Pinecone F22. So maybe like no flight for like months already. So ngayon meron siyang pagkakataon na lumipad or mapalipad. So di ko na siya nilagyan ng landing gear. Alright, so one of my favorite, hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng landing gear because grass naman yung niya, yung paglalandingan. So maghahantro ko na lang, so maganda pa rin to F22. Yan, may vertical din to, vertical flight, capable of vertical flight. So maganda panahon, buti na kasama yung panahon kanina, malakas yung ulan ito ngayon maganda yung panahon. Okay, 4 channel, let's go. F22. Nice, ganda, nice flyer, smooth napaka niya, saka napaka fluid ng napaka smooth ng niya, ng galaw niya, ng turn. Ayun super smooth, ganda. Super smooth, ganda napaka smooth, super responsive yung niya, yung controls niya, ganda. Roll. Oh, nice. Backflip, ganda rin super smooth talaga, promise. Smooth as butter yung niya, yung turn niya, ganda super smooth guys, ganda, love it, super love it, ganda especially walang landing gear, fast, and yun, super smooth. Yun yung napaka admirable na niya, super smooth. Yung niya lang, I think is yung down niya lang, yung negative niya lang is confusing yung niya, yung remote niya, yung switches. Dari. Oh. kailangan you have to get used to the switches of the radio. But overall napakagandang paliparin. Smooth tingnan mo. Yung turn niya is super smooth. Palayin ko nga. Super smooth yung turn niya Yan yung pinaka selling point na ito for me. Super smooth talaga. I don't know why. And hindi siya maingay. Uy, twin motor siya, not a brushless one, a brush motors, pero super super quiet, direct drive motors. Hello. Yan, malayo taas, nasa layo. Pero ang ganda super smooth talaga. Ang ganda niyang i-maneuver, iliko, i-turn.